Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to solve the problem 7, which is Python program to print all prime numbers in an interval of the given Python questions. So we'll take two positive integers, which is start and end, and within that start and end we'll print all the prime numbers that fall in between. So the definition is a prime number is a natural number which is greater than 1 and has no positive divisor other than 1 and itself. So a number which is only divisible by 1 and that number itself. So let's head over to our Colab notebook to actually code this up. So we are at our Colab notebook environment. So we have to take two inputs, which is our starting point and ending point. So I'll write start equals int input enter start, and the reason I'm converting it to int is because I want integer numbers as starting and ending points. We cannot start off at floating points because we want prime numbers. So I'm going to do the same thing for end also. I'm going to take int of input and I'm going to write enter end. So now we have to loop through the starting point and ending point. So what I'll do is I'll go for a for loop, which is for I in range of start comma end, and I'm going to add +1 because by default the range function goes to n-1, and if I just add +1 it will go up till the ending point that I have entered. So I'm going to enter in this loop and I have to check whether each number within the starting and ending point is greater than 1 or not. So I have to check if I is greater than 1, then only I'll go to this block and I'm going to write for j in range of 2 comma I. And the reason why I'm taking 2 is because we know that the number 1 is not prime and we are starting from 2 and we are going up till I minus 1 because we are using the range function, because we don't want to divide it with I, as whatever number you choose in this universe it will be divisible by itself. So we are going to now check whether the number is divisible by each number within 2 and that number minus 1. So I'm going to use if I modulus j. This will return the remainder of the division between I and j, and if it is equals to 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break through the loop, because if any number is divisible and the remainder is 0, that means it is not a prime number. But if this code block is not successful, we can opt for the for else part, and in this else part I'm going to print my number. So if a number isn't divisible within this range, then we can print that number and we can confidently say that it is a prime number. So I'm going to write print I, and this should hopefully work. If I write control enter now, and it is asking me for the starting point, so I'm taking 11 and the ending point I'm taking 25, and you can see it is giving me all the prime numbers within this interval. Let's check it once again using some different values. So I'm going to take from 2 up till 34 maybe, and as you can see we are getting all the prime numbers within this interval. So I hope your query is resolved, and if you got any queries you can just head over to your groups and post there. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.